a team that didn't want to participate, so we had to make our own automatic rooster. And we hooked it up to the experiment of the data graphing capability that I had never used before. So we got it actually in real time, determining the amount of ambient light, so you can see it drop as you cover it up and then increase as it goes. So when we start our experiment, it's nighttime. And then as the sun starts to rise, we have our rooster sound. And then the next day it goes back to nighttime again, and then the light comes back out and our rooster works again. So it seems to me, as Rob sort of helped us understand it, you could incorporate that into any other kind of program, but by doing it this way, you actually get the information and the feedback. We can export it, CSV file, you can look at previous data, you can actually keep it disconnected, run it separately, collect as much data as you want, including on an SD card, and then you can actually download it afterwards and then evaluate your own information and data later. Like, the hen could determine what's the average time I have to wake up in the morning based on all these days that I've been there. So
And
for us, it was a great night.
And look, and this connects with the last one really in an interesting way, is that you think the program's meant to be doing something